Coastside Family Adventures. As you can see, it snowed all night and we're gonna go check out Stevens Pass. Alright, we are just about 5 minutes from the Thousand Trails RV Park and it is another 25 minutes to Stevens Pass, and it does look bad. We did get a winter weather advisory that it might be bad between Coles Corner and Stevens Pass, so I'm not 100% sure if we'll make it. We'll see. Well, like I said, the road conditions are getting definitely a little bit rougher. They put up a sign, chains required for all vehicles, and Matt seems to think since we have four-wheel drive we make it up there, so we'll see. I definitely have never seen the road up to Stevens Pass this bad, guys. That is for sure.
Kristen, look at you.
This is totally crazy, and we are not even there. It's like at least 5 more miles to go.
That's how they get so close, Dad.
Oh, motorcycle, snowmobile.
Kristen, look
Wow.
at your face.
Oh. Wow, that is really cool.
I want a motorcycle snowmobile so bad. Kristen,
Wow.
Kristen, look at your face. Oh, you're going down for that. Look at this thing.
I don't think I've ever driven in worse road conditions, except for driving on 5 in California. That's definitely worse than this. But that's pretty crazy. Yeah, pretty crazy.
Get boots. Boots and caps. Wah, wah. You gotta wah, wah, wah.
Hey, this is Highway 2, guys. It might not look like it, but that is definitely Highway 2. What are all these people doing here?
Oh,
Holy
lot
moly.
full.
Skiing.
But what? There's another ski resort, or what is there? The trails?
I don't know.
Definitely trails or something.
They're putting on chains. Oh my god.
This one's so hard. You have to get all.
Wow. Not sure if this was a good idea.
Stop. What did you do? Stop.
Oh, nice one.
Oh man.
Now you're
Oh, my.
How in the world did he make it over to that side? Oh, because there's no shoulder on that side to pull over.
Oh.
Oh, I guess people are turning around.
Where?
They
Right
slid.
there.
They slid out. That person does not have four-wheel drive.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. Definitely pay attention to the winter warning advisory. Problem is now it's freezing temperatures, so you can actually see how slick the roads
They're
are.
in a
This is
minivan.
really crazy.
All the minivans fail.
And
I'll
I
just
guess
tell you
they
that.
don't have, yeah, they do have chains. They're putting chains on now. Okay. Wow. Yeah, the roads are definitely super slick.
Hey, Dad.
Let me try. Let me see.
No, don't. Dad.
Stop.
Matthew Maderos.
There's nothing to be worried about, guys.
Besides you trying to do burnouts in the middle of the highway.
Oh my god.
Well, we're almost there. It's like no more than half a mile.
It's right there, Mom. You see it. It's right there. I see it. I see it.
Okay, so this is half an hour from the Thousand Trails RV Park, and there's no lodging up here. So if you are coming to the Leavenworth area to go to Stevens Pass, you might be staying at the RV park, the Thousand Trails one, which is the closest to get up here. But definitely follow the winter warning advisory. Have chains, four-wheel drive, snow tires, whatever. If you want to do this, be prepared. Yeah, they're putting chains on.
Is that not a four-wheel drive?
I don't know. 4x4, yeah, it is a four-wheel drive. Okay, guys, the parking lots are filled to the top. So I guess a lot of people had this idea to come up here. We're gonna go find parking. Hang on. Okay, we made it into the parking lot, guys. It's pretty crazy. Look at all the RVs up there, by the way. That is even crazier to me, that people are actually RV parking over there. But Daddy just dropped me off, so he's gonna find parking, although it said the parking lot is full, so I'm not sure how that's gonna happen. But I'm gonna take Daniel to the restaurant. Okay, we're going in. Alright, Daniel's already going in. Christian is gonna go on the magic carpet right here. Where are you going? Down? Okay, I'll walk over there. It's fine. Okay, he's gonna go up the magic carpet and then I'll meet him over there. And up he goes. Woohoo! Nice! Looking good! Hey, let's remember this is Christian's only second time on skis. Amazing. I think Daniel's gonna keep doing this until we finally say this is it. I see Matt and Christian right there on the chairlift going up. The magic carpet ride has ended. Daniel's last run here. Yeah, that's it. Sliding out. What the heck is he doing? Oh, that took him a while to get straightened out. You see that? He totally slid out. Okay guys, we're leaving Stevens Pass. We're gonna make it down back into Leavenworth. If you want to check out the video of our day at Stevens Pass and ski school and all that stuff, that will be the next video. I'm just gonna keep filming here to show you that we are getting hopefully safely back home. All those snow plows are still out, plowing the road.
Tell me when I can go. You help me with this.
I think you can go, right? I mean, it doesn't say you can't pass and nobody's coming from the other side, so I think you're fine.
Well, we're on the other side of the road.
Yeah, but there's nobody there, so I think we're fine. We're almost out of the roughest part here. Alright guys, we made it to Cole's Corner. Roads are clear now. Everything went perfect. Just about 10 more minutes and we are back at the RV park. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It was an awesome day getting to Stevens Pass. Definitely tune in for the next video to see how Daniel did at ski school and how Christian did on the slopes. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!